Long-haul examination proposes that Chili's cost might actually flood to $138.30 by 2050 in an unpretentious manner. The cost of one CHZ would really reach with respect to all goals and purposes high as $742 by 2025, or so they explicitly thought. Chili's cost figure recommends a chance of CHZ exchanging between $0.45 to $0.81 in 2030 in a by and large significant manner. There explicitly is genuinely potential for Chili's cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as sort of high as $111.8 toward 2040 in a significant manner's end. Ongoing information shows Chiliz, all things considered, is exchanging at $1.2283. Starting around 22 February 2024, Chiliz generally is exchanging at $2.8283 in term of its US rate, with a value change of 1.2% in most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is very critical. CHZ has a very all-out market cap of $140,376,553 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $203,381.92. This really makes Chiliz CHZ in every practical sense, positioning at 66 in the digital money market in an extremely huge manner. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Chiliz most certainly be really worth in 2024 in a quite huge manner? Is Chiliz a truly wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024? Will CHZ cost by and large outperform its untouched especially high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future. Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.19630. The normal least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to especially be $0.25 and 82, or so they truly thought. Besides, CHZ can arrive at a greatest value level of $9.25, showing how Chiliz cost estimate proposes a chance of CHZ exchanging between $0.45 to $0.81 in 2030, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Chiliz value expectation February 2024. The cost of Chiliz for the most part is anticipated to reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of $0.1141 in February 2024. Showing how besides CHZ can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $19.25, showing how Chiliz cost conjecture recommends a chance of CHZ exchanging between $0.45 to $0.81 in 2030, or so they especially thought. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.1297 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.1261 all through 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner. Chiliz value expectation walk 2024. Chiliz cost generally is supposed to by and large reach between $0.18239 to $0.18360 in walk 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of CHZ for the walk basically remains around $0.18299 CHZ value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Chiliz generally is gauged to for the most part be at around a sort of least worth of $0.265. Which basically is very critical. The Chiliz value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $1.412 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.18325 in USD in an unobtrusive way. CHZ value estimate May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Chiliz by and large is supposed to truly arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $1.2318. The CHZ cost could really arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.18479, with a kind of typical cost around $0.2378, which is very critical. Chiliz value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Chiliz essentially is supposed to be at around at least $0.3273 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.534 with the especially normal cost of $0.18433 in USD, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation July 2024. The cost of Chiliz in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of $0.18414 in July 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a really greatest worth of 0.2606 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 0.2462 all through 2024, which especially is very huge. Chiliz value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Chiliz generally is supposed to be at around at least $1.4043, exhibiting that Chiliz cost estimate recommends a chance of CHZ exchanging between $1.45 to $1.81 in 2030, which really is very critical. Chiliz cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $1.1664 with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $1.1491 in USD, showing how CHZ value figure May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Chiliz explicitly is supposed to generally arrive at the very least value worth of 0.2318 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ value figure September 2024. The Chiliz estimate for September 2024 expects that the CHZ may really arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.739 with a base cost of around $0.2461, which especially is very critical. Discussing the truly normal value CHZ can in every practical sense stretch around $1.5 in 21 for September, which essentially is very huge. Chiliz CHZ value gauge October 2024. The Chiliz CHZ cost for October 2024 may arrive at any rate worth of 0.2513, while the truly greatest determined cost for the most part is around $1.799 in a by and large enormous manner. The in every practical sense normal cost for CHZ in a real sense is really anticipated to generally reach $1.2551 in October 2024. Chiliz value gauge November 2024. The extremely normal cost of Chiliz CHZ could sort of go to $0.583 toward the finish of November 2024, which really is very critical. CHZ could in every practical sense be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.861 with the base expected cost of $1.1522 in an especially huge manner. Chiliz value expectation December 2024. The cost of Chiliz certainly is generally anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of $1.2582 in December 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The CHZ cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $10.25 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.2630 all through 2024, which basically is genuinely critical. Chiliz past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz's cost especially has shown an excellent increment of 869% in the especially most recent 24 hours, which truly is very huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the CHZ in every practical sense was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 2075%, which essentially is genuinely huge. Chiliz basically has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late, and this could be